Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this teacher-inspired cup design. So if you want to see how I made it, stay tuned. First, you'll want to go into ChatGPT, get ideas, and ask it to generate a prompt you can use. Then take that prompt and go into Microsoft Designer. You'll go under Images, paste in your prompt, and then it'll generate a number of designs that you can use. Once it finishes generating a number of images, you're going to choose the one that you think will go best with what you're trying to create. Since this is going to be for a UV DTF to go on a cup, I thought that it would look nice with design number 1. So I downloaded the image and then uploaded it into Canva. From here, I wanted to put in some text. Well, instead of using the text inside of Canva, I went to Ideogram. And then I typed in what I wanted to put on the cup and then downloaded that image. Once in Canva, I went to Magic Grab so I could just grab the text and put it on top of the design that I had from Microsoft Designer. Once that step was completed, then I just started resizing everything that was on the page just the way I liked it. Now on the text, I decided that I wanted to do a bold outline. So I went under Effects, and then I went to Outline, and then I changed that outline from black to white. Now it's time to mock it up. So I went in under Canva's Mockup, added a frame, and then I pulled over my design on top. From there, I just went in and did different variations of the cup. I did one in white and one in black just to see how the design would look. But really, both of them look great. From here, you can download the design as a transparent background. This way, you can either sell the digital file or you can go to Printify and sell the actual cup. And there you have it, a quick and easy design that you can decide to sell or keep for yourself. If you like this design and you want the template and the prompt that I use, be sure to connect with me on Instagram and type in cup, and then you can get the link to the design. Also, be sure to follow me over there so you can see what I'm up to throughout the week, and you never know, you may be able to get a free template. So I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful, and until next time, thanks for watching.